When it comes to tackling woodworking or construction projects, choosing the right tools can make all the difference between a smooth, efficient workflow and a frustrating experience. Among the most essential power tools in any carpenter or DIY enthusiast's arsenal are the Mitre saw and the circular saw. Both are incredibly useful, but they serve distinct purposes and excel in different areas. Whether you're cutting precise angles for crown molding or ripping through sheets of plywood for a new deck, understanding the strengths and limitations of these saws is crucial. In this comprehensive comparison, we'll explore the design, functionality, and specific use cases for each tool, from the precision of a Mitre saw's angled cuts to the versatility of a circular saw's portability. We'll break down everything you need to know to decide which tool is right for your next project. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend DIYer, this guide will help you make an informed decision that matches your needs and skill level. So, let's dive into the world of Mitre saws versus circular saws and find out which one is the perfect fit for your workshop. Design and functionality. A Mitre saw is a stationary tool designed primarily for making precise crosscuts and angled cuts. The workpiece is placed on a flat base, and the blade is brought down to cut through the material. Mitre saws are ideal for tasks that require accuracy, such as cutting molding, trim, or framing pieces. Types of cuts. Mitre saws excel at making crosscuts, straight cuts across the grain, mitre cuts, angled cuts across the width, bevel cuts, angled cuts along the thickness, and compound cuts, a combination of mitre and bevel cuts. Precision. Mitre saws offer high precision and are equipped with features like laser guides or LED shadow lines that help align the cut perfectly. Stationary nature. Mitre saws are mounted on a base, meaning the material is brought to the tool rather than moving the tool through the material. A circular saw is a handheld tool known for its versatility. It can perform a wide range of cuts, including crosscuts, RIP cuts, cutting along the length of a board, bevel cuts, and plunge cuts. Circular saws are commonly used for rough carpentry tasks like cutting plywood or framing lumber. Types of cuts. Circular saws can perform almost all types of cuts that a Mitre saw can do, but they also handle RIP cuts and plunge cuts more effectively. Portability. Circular saws are lightweight and portable, making them ideal for jobs where mobility is required. Manual control. Since circular saws are handheld, their accuracy depends largely on the user's skill. They often require additional guides or jigs to achieve straight or precise cuts. Blade types and sizes. Mitre saw blades are typically larger than circular saw blades, with common sizes ranging from 8 inches to 12 inches in diameter. The blade size determines how wide a board can be cut. For example, sliding Mitre saws allow for wider boards by enabling the blade to slide forward on rails. These blades are designed for precision work and come in various tooth counts, depending on whether you're cutting wood, metal, or plastic. Special features. Some Mitre saws come with advanced features like LED shadow lines or laser guides that project a line onto the workpiece for enhanced accuracy. Circular saw blades are generally smaller, around 7 inches, but come in many varieties depending on the material being cut. Circular saw blades are highly versatile. They can cut through wood, metal, plastic, and other materials with ease. The depth of cut can be adjusted by setting the blade height. Blade versatility. Circular saw blades come in different sizes and tooth configurations for various applications. For instance, blades with fewer teeth make faster but rougher cuts, while those with more teeth produce smoother finishes. Cutting angles and precision. One of the key advantages of a Mitre saw is its ability to make precise angled cuts. The base pivots left or right to create Mitre cuts at various angles, typically up to 50 to 60 degrees. Compound Mitre saws can also tilt the blade to make bevel cuts. This makes them perfect for projects requiring high precision at specific angles like cutting crown molding or picture frames. Sliding compound Mitre saws. These models extend the blade's reach by allowing it to slide forward on rails, making it easier to cut wider boards without sacrificing precision. While circular saws can also make angled cuts, bevel cuts, they require manual adjustments to set the angle using the base plate. This makes angled cuts less precise compared to a Mitre saw. However, circular saws offer greater flexibility since they can adjust both depth and angle settings on the fly. Track systems. Some circular saws can be paired with track systems that guide them along straight lines for more precise long cuts. Idochi. Ripping plywood. Versatility. Mitre saws are specialized tools designed mainly for crosscuts and angled cuts. While they excel at these tasks with high precision, they lack versatility when it comes to other types of cutting like ripping long boards or making plunge cuts. They are best suited for projects requiring repetitive precision cutting at specific angles. Limitations: Mitre saws cannot perform RIP cuts or handle large sheets of material like plywood effectively due to their stationary nature. Circular saws are much more versatile due to their handheld design. They can handle RIP cuts, crosscuts, bevel cuts, plunge cuts, and even dados with appropriate attachments. This makes them suitable for a wide range of tasks, from framing houses to cutting large sheets of plywood. Creative projects: circular saws allow users to be more creative with their projects, since they aren't limited by fixed bases or cutting widths like mitre saws. Portability: mitre saws are bulkier and heavier than circular saws because they need to be mounted on a table or workbench. While some models are portable enough to be moved between job sites, their size makes them less convenient compared to circular saws. Circular saws are lightweight and highly portable. They can easily be carried around job sites or used in tight spaces where larger tools wouldn't fit. Cordless versions offer even greater mobility by eliminating the need for power outlets. Ease of use: mitre saws are generally easier to use when it comes to making accurate crosscuts or angled cuts because they have built-in guides like fences that help position the material accurately. Once set up correctly, they offer repeatable accuracy with minimal effort. Circular saws require more skill to use effectively because they rely on manual control for both guiding the tool through the material and maintaining accuracy during cutting. Beginners may find it harder to make straight or precise angled cuts without additional guides or jigs. Accuracy: accuracy is where mitre saws truly shine. They are designed specifically for precision work, whether you're making straight crosscuts or complex compound angles, and many models come equipped with laser guides that help ensure perfect alignment before cutting. While circular saws can be accurate with practice or by using guides like speed squares or track systems, they are more prone to user error due to their handheld nature. This makes them less reliable for fine woodworking projects that require high levels of precision. Price: mitre saws tend to be more expensive than circular saws due to their specialized design and higher precision capabilities. Sliding compound models with advanced features like dual bevel adjustments further increase their cost. Circular saws are generally more affordable than mitre saws. There are many budget-friendly models available that still offer good performance for general-purpose cutting tasks. Storage: due to their size and stationary nature, mitre saws require more space in your workshop or garage. They need a dedicated spot on a workbench or stand, since they cannot easily be stored away after each use. Circular saws take up much less space because they are handheld tools that can be stored in small spaces like shelves or toolboxes when not in use. Safety: mitre saws tend to be safer than circular saws because they have built-in safety features like blade guards that automatically cover the blade when not in use. Additionally, since the material is stationary during cutting, there's less risk of kickback compared to handheld tools. Circular saws carry a higher risk of kickback if not used properly because the user must guide both the tool and material during cutting. Kickback occurs when the blade binds in the material, causing it to jerk backward toward the operator. Proper technique and safety precautions, e.g., using clamps, are essential when working with circular saws. Final thought: in summary, both tools have their strengths. A mitre saw excels at making precise crosscuts and angled cuts ideal for trim work or framing. A circular saw offers greater versatility due to its portability and ability to perform various types of cuts, but requires more skill for accuracy. For those starting out, if you need precision in angled cutting tasks, e.g., trim work, invest in a mitre saw. If you need versatility across many types of projects, e.g., framing houses, opt for a circular saw.